What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 5 biggest mistakes that I made personally in my first year working out, so that way you can avoid those mistakes, make faster progress than I did, and get great results. So with that said, let's get right into the video. And guys, real quickly, in case you're new to the channel, I just want to welcome you to this place. My name is Osil. This channel is going to be all about fitness, self-improvement, becoming the best possible version of yourself. I'm going to help you guys out along the way. I've been working out for the past 4 years, and I've learned a lot in that time. And as my daytime job, I actually work as a personal trainer and am certified. So with that out the way, the first topic of today's video is prioritizing big weight over proper form and quality reps. This is something I see a lot of new beginner lifters make, is they want to go in there every single session and try and do their 1 rep max, see how much they can bench this time, see how much they could squat, deadlift, all that good stuff. I understand because I've personally been there. Every single week I wanted to max out. But really, testing your 1 rep max, you should be doing that no more than once, if not every 2 months, guys. Once every 2 to 3 months. Because here's the deal. Every single workout, your goal should be to be getting stronger, getting fit, and leaner. Testing your 1 rep max, you're not going to build a lot of strength. You're going to be more prone and susceptible to getting injured because you're pushing your limits, and you're just not building a lot of muscle, guys. What you need to do is be getting your, whatever your 1 rep max is, so let's say you could do 135, do about 70 to 80% of your max and pump out as many reps. Going through the motion is what's gonna build the most amount of muscle, guys. Nice quality reps with good form is how you're gonna build the aesthetic V taper that we're all trying to get. So first thing, don't go in there with an ego. Don't try and just throw up weight. Focus on just doing nice, good reps with quality form. That way you're building muscle, you won't get injured, and this will help you get results much faster in the gym. The second biggest mistake that I made in my first year working out was not taking supplements. Now, as you guys know, this channel is all about natural bodybuilding, not taking that steroids, all that garbage. That's what my main goal is to become as fit as possible naturally without having to take drugs and all that garbage. But not taking protein shakes, not taking stuff like creatine pre-workout, I'm telling you guys, and taking other like vitamins that can help you recover faster, boost your metabolism, you're leaving gains and potential muscle gain on the table. You're just leaving it out. That said, if you already have like a personal chef or something like that, or you know, you're on top of like, you know how to cook and stuff, you can make chicken and rice every single meal, okay, you're the exception. But for the 99% of you guys, you need to be taking a protein shake after your workouts and taking some type of vitamins that can help you aid in, you know, recovering faster. That way you can get more workouts in. Stuff like metabolism pills, full body recoveries, multivitamins. This is all good stuff that's going to help you make results faster in the gym. So I highly recommend, if you're not already, take supplements. I'll have the ones I personally use linked in the description of this video. With that said, the third biggest mistake I see new gym lifters make is thinking you have to take a rest day every other day. Guys, here's the deal. Our ancestors, you think they took rest days? Fuck no, they didn't. You can work out 6 days a week. I'm not saying work out every single day. Maybe take 1 day, maybe no. If we're being generous, 2 days off. I mean, that's fine. But really, guys, when I started getting really good results, like the last 6 months, what I did to get really fast results is working out 6 times a week, no excuses. Because what's gonna happen is you're gonna build that momentum. About this, everyone's gone through this. You take 1 day off, you're like, you know, I'm tired, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, you know, it's after work, I'm feeling tired. What's gonna happen is next day comes and you're still gonna be feeling tired. It's procrastination disguised as a rest day. It's an excuse not to get to the gym. I always say this, bad workouts are better than no workouts, okay? As long as you're showing up, a lot of times, even when you're super sore and you're not in the mood, a bad workout can turn into a good workout. Just get in there, get your reps in. 90% of the battle is just about showing up, guys, I promise you. Start showing up, if you're not already, 5 to 6 times a week. Trust me, you're gonna see your results go to the roof. And I had a friend of mine, he was like, man, but I really want to take my rest days and this and that. And I was like, bro, have you achieved your dream physique yet? Yes or no? He's like, no. Well, okay. Do you want to get your dream physique in 5 years or 1 year? Well, he's like, and he's like, well, obviously I want to get in like a year or less. I'm like, okay, if you want to get faster results, start working out 6 times a week, no more than 5 times a week, no excuses. Quick reminder, if you're finding great value in today's video, don't forget to give a like and make sure to subscribe for more quality content. With that said, number 4. The 4th biggest mistake I made in my first year working out was not getting enough protein. I'm gonna give you guys how much protein you really need to be eating. I know there's a lot of advice. Oh, you need this much, that much. Here's what I did that helped me. Take your body weight and eat that number in protein. So if you weigh 200 pounds, I weigh 225. So what I do is I eat 225 grams of protein every single day, no excuses. Maybe my day off on Sunday, I won't do that. I'll probably get around 100 to 150. But besides that, you need to be eating your body weight and grams of protein every single day to make better results, build muscle, lose fat, and just get aesthetic as quick as possible, guys. Plus, think about it. If you're gonna go and you're gonna work hard to train to build muscle, why would you waste that time you spend in the gym by not eating enough protein so you can build the muscle? That makes no sense, right? It's stupid. Go train hard and then eat right so you can put on the muscle. That leads us to number 5, not having a qualified, perfected diet. Guys, think about it. You're going to the gym, you're training hard, you're working out, you're taking time out of your day to go work out to become a better version of yourself. Why would you not eat more protein so you can put on muscle faster and lose weight? It makes no sense, right? Trust me, guys. Well, however much you weigh, eat that number in grams of protein. Trust me, you're gonna lose fat and build muscle 100 times faster. If there's any piece of advice I can give you guys, that would be the best advice if you're gonna take anything from this video. Eat your body weight in grams of protein. That leads us to number 5, which is not warming up. Now, I'm a guy who, I used to think, warming up is pretty gay. I didn't want to warm up. I just want to get straight into the exercises. But you have to warm up. Because of the fact that I didn't warm up, I have been injured a lot of times in my 4 years of working out. Guys, don't skip steps. You want to warm up for at least 3 to 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. I'm not telling you to go in there and warm up for 10, 15 minutes like some other jackass influencer. But you do got to get your muscles prepared, get your heart rate going, so that way you're prepared to go pump out heavy weight and all that good stuff, okay, guys? Here's what I do, okay? If it's like a push day where I'm doing chest and shoulders, what I'll do is I'll get my shoulders nice and loose, stretching them out with a variety of arm circles, whatnot, maybe some jumping jacks. And then I'll get on the ground and I'll do between 10 to 15 slow and controlled push-ups, okay? That way my muscles, they're understanding, okay, we're getting ready to work out, they're getting nice and warm, okay? If you don't do that, you're gonna have an increased chance of hurting yourself, getting injured, messing up your shoulders, your tendons, all that bullcrap. Don't skip the warm-up, guys. Please, I'm begging you. You don't want to hurt yourself, because if you get hurt, you're just going to delay your results even more, and you're going to get frustrated and pissed off like I was. Because I personally messed up my left shoulder before when working out. I had to go to a 3-month recovery process. It freaking sucks, okay? So don't skip the warm-up, guys. You want to make progress, you don't want to be injured, okay? With that said, guys, last thing, I made a personal playlist. It's all about fitness advice and tips for men, so make sure to check it out. I'll have it linked right here so you can check it out. Make sure to like the video, subscribe for real, no-nonsense fitness and self-improvement advice. My name is Osil. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace out.